Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies in a mug. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, milk, vegetable oil, and a touch of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a microwave-safe mug and a small spoon ready. Precise measurements are key for the perfect texture, so have your measuring spoons handy. Now, let's start by combining the dry ingredients directly in your mug. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, followed by 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Use a fork to mix these dry ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined and there are no lumps. This ensures an even distribution of flavor. It's time to add the wet ingredients to your dry mixture. Pour in 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. For an extra layer of flavor, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together with your fork until the batter is smooth and all ingredients are fully incorporated. Feel free to mix in a few chocolate chips if you like. Finally, it's time to cook your brownie. Place the mug in the microwave and cook for 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary depending on your microwave's wattage, so keep an eye on it. Once cooked, let it cool for about 1 minute before digging in. Enjoy your warm, fudgy brownie as is, or top it with ice cream or a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.